If you're passionate about crafts, DIY goods, or handmade items, chances are you've come across the Tedooo app. Marketed as a first-of-its-kind social commerce platform for crafters, Tedooo promises to bring together a vibrant community of creators and buyers. But is Tedooo legit, or should you be cautious before signing up? Let's explore user feedback, trust ratings, and key features. What is the Tedooo app? Tedooo is a mobile app designed to connect crafters, DIY enthusiasts, and shoppers in one creative ecosystem. The platform allows users to buy and sell handcrafted goods, connect through social features, and even open their own shop without any seller fees. With millions of products and a focus on personalized items, Tedooo wants to be the go-to place for unique handmade creations. Ratings and user feedback. While Tedooo promotes a strong community and easy-to-use marketplace, user reviews are mixed. Trustpilot, 2.8 out of 5, 74 reviews. Google Play Store, 2.9 out of 5, 710 reviews. Apple App Store, 4.0 out of 5, 364 reviews. Most negative feedback seems related to technical bugs, slow performance, or occasional account issues. However, many positive reviews highlight the unique concept and potential of the app for small business owners and creative sellers. Is Tedooo.com safe? According to Scam Advisor, Tedooo.com has a very high trust score of 96 out of 100, indicating that it's likely a safe and legitimate website. The trust score is based on factors like secure hosting, valid SSL certificates, and the company's digital footprint. No major red flags were found regarding scams or fraud. Key features that stand out: 0 seller fees. Keep 100% of your profits when selling handmade products. Craft-focused social community. Connect with fellow crafters, share projects, and discover new items. Diverse product range. From custom clothing to jewelry and home decor, there's something for every creative shopper. Direct messaging. Communicate directly with buyers or sellers to personalize the shopping experience. Final verdict: legit or scam? Despite mixed app reviews, Tedooo appears to be a legitimate platform, especially given its high trust rating and secure infrastructure. The app may still be improving in terms of performance, but its concept and zero-fee policy make it a valuable option for creative entrepreneurs. If you're into crafting or shopping for unique handmade goods, Tedooo is worth checking out. Just be sure to stay updated on app improvements and review seller ratings carefully.